Blueberry Cobbler has a layer of fresh blueberries covered in a cake-like cobbler topping. Serve with a big scoop of vanilla ice cream for a fantastically delicious summer dessert. In a lightly greased baking dish, combine 3 cups of fresh blueberries, 3 tablespoons of sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a 1/4 cup of orange juice. Cream 3/4 cup of softened butter with 3/4 cup of sugar. Beat in 1 egg and 1 egg yolk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then combine 1 cup of flour, a 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Add to mixing bowl and beat just until mixed in. Spoon mixture over blueberries and sprinkle 1 tablespoon of sugar on top. Bake for 35 to 40 minutes at 375 degrees. I like to serve this fruit cobbler warm with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. You can find the full recipe at spicysouthernkitchen.com.